So hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss that what is the difference between null and undefined in JavaScript. Actually, we all know that both null and undefined represent absence of value in JavaScript. Okay, but they are not the same. Okay, just let me just give you an example. You can think it as undefined is the implicit way, means the compiler, or in JavaScript there is the interpreter. The interpreter's way of saying that it has absence of value. But null is the user defined, that is explicit way of saying there is absence of value. If I let me give you example of undefined, like if I declare a variable and I didn't give any value to it, and if I console log name, as you can see, it will give us undefined because it is declared, but there is no value in it, so it will implicitly get the value undefined. Okay, there is another use case. If I declare a function print num, and there is inside num, and I just console.log num. Okay, there is an parameter in this function declaration, that is num, but if when I call it, when I invoke it, print num, and I don't give any value to it, and I just run this code, you can see it will be print as, or assigned by the interpreter as undefined. Interpreter, the in normal language in C++ and in Java we can see this is compiler, and JavaScript it is interpreter, the interpreter. Okay, so if okay, the undefined is a falsy value. So if we just declare an object, and we just give it empty value, okay, and I just console log something that is not present in this object. Let me just my object.name. If I just do my object.name, as you can see, it will give us undefined. Okay, these are the implicit way of the interpreter of saying that the values are not defined yet. Maybe it will be available in future. Then what is null? Null is the user's way of saying that I intentionally want that there is absence of some value. If I declare something like roll number, I can give it value null, and when I console log this, you can see it will be printed as null because I intentionally give the value null to it. Okay, so another use case will be like there is an object. Let me just player, okay, name. Let me give its name Mario. Color, let me give red. Okay, I want to clear this object, so I can just let me just console log player, and after that I want to clear the memory of that player. So what I can do, I can just player is equal to null, so it will just remove all the data that present inside player. Now if I do the same, as you can see, first it will give us the object, that is Mario and color red, and after that, as I intentionally remove all the data inside it, it will give us null. So this is the simple difference, that is, as I say, the undefined is the implicit way of the interpreter of saying there is absence of value, and null is the explicit way, that is the user defined way of saying there is absence of value. Okay, there is a JavaScript bug, if you know this. Let me just comment out everything, and if I just, okay, sorry, if I just okay, if I just console log type of undefined, and console log the type of null, you will see a peculiar behavior of JavaScript. That, as we know before, that there are 8 data types present in JavaScript: object, symbol, null, undefined, boolean, begin, number, string. Okay, there is a null and there is an undefined. So it should be the type of undefined should be undefined and type of null should be null. Okay, but if I run this, you will see a peculiar behavior, or you can see that very old bug of JavaScript, that is, type of undefined is undefined, but type of null is object. Okay, it just like if I read an article in uh, Stack Overflow that there isn't like it used to be that the 000 represent the object, and if we change the this value, then the legacy code will be broken. So they didn't change it. It will still exist in JavaScript. Okay, so in this we can in the summary we can get that you use undefined for missing values. JavaScript you assign it automatically. That is the implicit way. And null is used when we intentionally want to represent there is no value inside this variable. Okay, so that's it.